All right, here's the most complex one we're going to look at today. It looks like negative x squared plus 16 all divided by x cubed minus 64. This is going to be a two-step problem or a multi-step problem. I'm going to go ahead and start by finding those roots just like we had originally done. So I'm going to type in x squared minus or plus 16. In this case, you're going to notice that there's a negative in front. I'm still going to go ahead and find the roots. As I do that, I'm going to go down here. You'll notice I'm at -4 and +4. Okay, and come up here and annotate while we do this. I'm going to go ahead and write that the top is going to be x plus 4 and x minus 4. And notice that there is a negative in front of that. I'm going to put a negative. That negative is the vertical stretch or the reflection over the x-axis. So I've got negative x plus 4 all over x minus 4. I'm going to go ahead and type in the other one. Notice that the first one was squared, so we would expect two x-intercepts, and we got them. I'm going to type in the x cubed minus 64. And then what you'll notice is as we zoom out, there is only one x-intercept in this case. So you're going to notice that we have the x-intercept at 4. So I'm going to write that one down here. I'm going to come over and say, okay, well, I've got x minus 4, but I should be expecting 2 more because I have x cubed minus 64. And that means that what we have are those two imaginary complex. What we need to do in order to simplify this is figure out what the rest is. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take x cubed minus 64 and I'm going to divide it by x minus 4. So I'm going to come over here and do that right here. So I'm going to take x cubed minus 64 and I'm going to divide it by x minus 4. And I think y'all should be able to see that pretty good. Okay. As we do that, just remember, I'm going to draw the box out. We've been working with this box. Put x minus 4 over here. Okay, and I'm going to take that x cubed minus 64 and write it here. X cubed, 0x squared, 0x minus 64. And hopefully everybody can see that. Let me just put that there. And then what we're going to do is we're going to move that x cubed into spot. We'll just do the division we worked on a lot last week. So x times x squared is x cubed. X squared times -4 is -4x squared. Just a reminder, I add this to get that 0x squared. So I add a 4x squared to -4x squared to get 0x squared. Then I multiply 4x in order to get multiply by x to get 4x squared. I do 4x times -4, which is -16x. Then I need this plus this to equal the 0x. So this is -16x. I'm going to put plus 16x. Okay. And I'm going to put a positive 16 right here. So 16 times 4 is 16x. So 16 times x, 16x. 16 times -4 is -64. Therefore, back here, now that I've got that, I've got x squared plus 4x plus 16. Let's go ahead and I'm going to share that screen with you back in Desmos. What I had written on here, let's see if I can get back there, is that I had negative x plus 4x minus 4 all over. I had a x minus 4, and that x minus 4 was from the root that you see right now. And then I had what was at the top of our division, which is x squared plus 4x plus 16. Okay, and now what I can do is just go ahead and start cutting out those factors that are exactly the same. So that x minus 4 cancels with that x minus 4, and I'm left with x plus 4 with a negative in it all over x squared plus 4x plus 16. Now, if you remember, if this is fully factored correctly, my answer, which is this right here, should overlap the original question. So that is right there. I'm going to go ahead and just check it. I'm going to write parentheses, negative x plus 4. I'm going to go ahead and put this as a division problem now, divided by, make sure that negative is up in the top. Okay, and I'm going to write x squared plus 4x plus 16. And notice that it overlaps. That means it is completed.